Assalamu alaikum. Today friends, I will be showing you how to make this really easy homemade Tawa pizza. So let's get started. I have 5 cups of mixed wheat, oat, maize, channa, soya, spelt, quinoa flour. I'm going to mix half cup of oil inside this. Add 2 tablespoons of yeast. And 1 tablespoon of salt. 2 tablespoons of sugar and mix well. Add 2 cups of warm water and make it into a dough. The dough is ready. It took 15 minutes to make. I smothered 1 tablespoon of oil on top. I'm now going to leave it for 5 hours for it to rise. I'm also going to put cling film on top. For the ingredients I have half kg tomato and 1 red bell pepper blended together. For the spices I have 1 tablespoon salt, 2 tablespoon red chilli flakes, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon dried mint, half tablespoon ginger powder, 1 tablespoon cumin-coriander powder, half tablespoon garlic powder. I also have 2 tablespoon vinegar, 2 tablespoon cornflour mixed in water, and 3 tablespoon of lemon juice. Add the tomato and red bell pepper blended together. Add all the spices. Add the vinegar. Lemon juice. And cornflour water. Mix well. Cook for 5 minutes on flame medium. After 5 minutes, you can check if there's any missing spices, for example if it needs more salt. The sauce is ready. I'm now going to dish it out. For the spices I have 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon cumin-coriander powder, half tablespoon salt, half tablespoon onion powder, half tablespoon paprika, half tablespoon garlic powder, 1/4 tablespoon turmeric powder, half tablespoon tikka boti massala, and half tablespoon ginger powder. I have 1 kg of chicken boneless. I'm now going to add 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Add all the spices. And add 1 tablespoon of oil. Mix well. Put cling film on top and put it in the fridge for 4 to 5 hours. The chicken is marinated. I chopped it into tiny pieces as well. Add 2-3 tablespoons of oil. Add the boneless chicken. Cook for 15 minutes, medium flame. After 5 minutes, if there is anything missing in terms of spices, you can add it. For me, I'm adding half teaspoon of salt. I'm going to cook until all the water evaporates. I'm now going to make 6 small dough balls. For the ingredients I have dough, 3 types of bell pepper and onion sliced, cheese, mozzarella, red chili flakes, 2 types of olives and sweet corn, and chicken tikka. I made 6 dough balls. I'm now going to roll them out. I rolled it out. I cut tin foil in a pizza round shape. And I'm gonna put this on my Tava, brush oil on the tin foil. I put the dough on the tin foil. I'm now going to make holes using a fork. Spread pizza sauce everywhere. Now add some cheese. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon of chili flakes on top. first topping is chicken tikka. And next is bell peppers and onions. Now I'm going to put olives and sweet corn on top. I'm going to put some cheese on top. And then lastly put mozzarella on top. I have topped all of my pizzas. I'm now going to cook it on the Tava. I'm going to cook this for 15 minutes on flame low. After 15 minutes, it is ready. For this pizza, I'm going to cook halfway on the Tava and halfway inside the grill. It's cooked from the bottom. I'm now going to grill it. This pizza is also done and it took 5 minutes. These are the end results. It looks absolutely amazing and very tasty. Each pizza is perfectly cooked. With that said, I hope you liked my little video, and make sure you like, comment and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.